Hello guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to get dark mode on Instagram threads. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now what we're going to do is to go to your threads app, and then you can see right here that it is in the light mode. Now, as you can see on your Threads app, there is no way that you can turn it into dark mode. So to turn it into dark mode, what you're going to do is to go to your phone settings. Next, from your phone settings, tap on display. And then you can see this option, dark theme. Just enable this one to turn on the dark mode on your phone. Your phone is now on dark theme. Now go back to your Threads app, and here you can see it's on dark mode. And that's it! If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.